Well, standing in the garage entry, the tack house. Here's a quick tour. Uh, after the storms, forecast is for clear skies for the foreseeable future, next week anyway. So, really like having the extra privacy that all the snow mounds create. And oh, it's pretty exhausting labor making it. So it's nice to see rock shoot up there to the south. And Marigas has access. Beautiful day. It's also nice to have a de facto fence for the puppies. It's a pretty thin berm now, and figuring just drive through it if I gotta get out of here. There's the path to the big house in Mammoth and all her glory in Lincoln. Push pause and go out the other way. Puppy's got some. She's doing okay. They're doing good. They got a little cabin fever. Even Hobby. Doesn't he look feverish? Oh, here we go. Boom. Well, glory flying because President Trump greenlit the Keystone and Dakota Access pipelines today. Holy cow. Snowshoes. Those are Amy's 25s. And here's a path for the puppies to get up. Maybe they'll come up, maybe not. Look at that. Huh? Oh, we gotta put the snowshoes on a little bit, I think, and make a track for the puppies around the meadow. Power line. Snowbank is up to the power line. I think that's, I don't know, 15 feet maybe? 20 feet off the ground. Big house from here. And they did come out. What are you puppies doing? You coming out? Oh boy. I don't know about. Should get up there and shovel that roof off. I shoveled and tramped down a field of view, hopefully, for the Nest Cam, which is right there. The start of this video was looking up from down there. Here's that little frog. Stop sign and street sign, corner Old Mammoth and Tamarack, just still not buried. Okay, that's it.